Are you preparing for the U.S. driving theory test and not sure where to start? You're in the right place. In this video, we briefly cover the most important topics and tricky road signs that will help you pass the test on your first attempt. You'll find everything you actually need to prepare for the DMV test and other written exams. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss new uploads. Want to feel confident and stress-free on test day? Stay with us. Let's get started. Question 1. When driving in fog, use B. Low beams. Question 2. Broken yellow lines mean B. Passing allowed when safe. Question 3. When approaching a stop sign, A. Come to a complete stop. Question 4. When should you turn on your headlights? C. At night or when visibility is less than 1,000 feet. Question 5. This sign means A. Yield. Question 6. A flashing yellow light means D. Proceed with caution. Question 7. When being passed by another vehicle, you should C. Maintain a steady speed and don't interfere. Question 8. A white rectangular sign with 2 black arrows means D. Two-way traffic. Question 9. When a school bus ahead has red lights flashing, B. Stop completely. Question 10. At a red traffic light, B. Full stop. Question 11. When is it legal to pass on the right? A. When the driver ahead is turning left. Question 12. When you see a yield sign, you must A. Yield the right of way. Question 13. When can you use a mobile phone while driving? C. Only with hands-free. Question 14. A solid white line means D. Avoid changing lanes. Question 15. A yellow diamond with a curved arrow means D. Sharp curve ahead. Question 16. If your car starts to skid, C. Steer in the direction of the skid. Question 17. On a green light, you may be proceed if the way is clear. Question 18. If your headlights fail at night, A. Turn on hazard lights and pull over. Question 19. When should you use turn signals? D. Every time you change direction. Question 20. If the driver behind flashes their lights, C. Allow them to pass. Question 21. If your tire pressure is low, C. The car can lose control. Question 22. A sign with means B. School zone. Question 23. When should you turn on headlights during rain? A. Always. Question 24. If a police officer signals you to stop, you should B. Pull over safely. Question 25. A sign showing a moose or deer means B. Animal Crossing. Question 26. If the car ahead is slowing down, you should C. Slow down. Question 27. When parking uphill with a curb. D. Turn wheels right. Question 28. A yellow light before red means D. Stop if safe. Question 29. When you hear a siren behind you, B. Pull over to the right. Question 30. If a tire blows out while driving, C. Hold the wheel firmly and slow down gradually. Question 31. A sign reading means A. Maximum speed is 55 miles per hour. Question 32. A red triangle with a white center means D. Yield sign. Question 33. A sign saying "Do not enter" means C. Wrong way. Question 34. A curved arrow sign means A. U-turn prohibited. Question 35. A sign with a walking person means D. Pedestrian crossing. Question 36. Slippery when wet means A. Slippery when wet. Question 37. Road work ahead means A. Road construction ahead. Question 38. A green arrow light means D. Go in the direction of the arrow. Question 39. A sign means B. Join traffic. Question 40. Double solid yellow lines mean D. No passing. Question 41. A sign with a red slash through you means C. No U-turn. Question 42. At an intersection without signals, D. First to arrive goes first. Question 43. If your car starts smoking, B. Stop and turn off the engine. Question 44. A sign means B. One-way street. Question 45. You should check your mirrors. D. When changing lanes. Question 46. A vehicle behind you with flashing blue lights means A. Pull over to the right. Question 47. A sign showing means A. Bicycle lane. Question 48. If the road is wet and slippery, you should B. Decrease speed. Question 49. A sign reading means D. Railroad crossing. Question 50. A no parking sign means A. You may stop briefly.